morning, boys and girls. Welcome back, parents and guardians. I want to share a little bit of information on the water cycle. I used to ask myself, how does the rain fall? Where does the water come from in the sky? And I asked all these questions. But this happened because of the water cycle. All right. So how does it work? Remember, we look at the phase change, or we move from liquid to gas, and from gas back to liquid. Okay, so when the sun is hot, we see where the water is going to leave and go up in the cloud. And this is called evaporation. Just like when you're boiling a pot of water and you see the vapors coming out, all right, going up. So the water vapors go up and it goes into the cloud here, right? In the clouds, and then it changes from gas to liquid through a process called condensation. And now that it is liquid, it is going to fall back as rain, and we call that precipitation. Also, we must remember that water also goes up from out of the trees, and that is done through transpiration. Okay? Transpiration is when the trees also give off water. And evaporation is when we get the water from the vapors going out of the sea. And through precipitation, the water is falling down back as rain. So we call it, instead of saying precipitation, we can just say rain. All right? And then the rainwater is washed down from the mountains into the river, right? Into the river, and it goes straight into the ocean. And then guess what? It is going to evaporate again and go up and condense in the cloud, condensation, then through precipitation, fall down back on the mountain, on the trees, on the animals, and all of that. And then it run off down to the river. And the cycle continues over and over and over. And that is the water cycle.